welcome friends once again to one more review of your favorite Vaishno Motors. So today we have a happy couple, Mr. and Mrs. Akash. So they have taken the delivery of a Renault Duster, and must say he is a music producer. That's what you said. He is a music producer by profession. I'm so very glad to add a music producer in my customer family. I've never had that. I've never had that opportunity. So he has something to say why he came here and what he felt, and he even went to several other dealers in Calcutta and why he didn't go and buy there, and what was the difference that he came here and he booked the vehicle in one shot and today he's taking the delivery with his wife. So please reiterate your feelings.
Hi everyone. Basically, why we have other cars with us, but we needed a car for our personal use for my production purpose, and I went to 7 or 8 dealerships across Kolkata, and sadly the cars were in poor shape. Okay, they were not well kept, and you can understand that there was no love felt for the cars. They were just kept at the side and
just with an intention to make a profit and nothing else.
Make a profit. And they were asking me, like, suppose there's a car which has been there. There was a Duster, by the way. There was a Duster, and it was completely rusted. The clear coat was gone, and they were charging something like 3.5 lakhs. I was like, see, 3.5 lakhs is not a big issue. The issue is I cannot negotiate for this car. Okay? I don't want to buy this, so I will not negotiate. Okay? So, and sadly, this is the condition with most of these so-called dealerships. Okay.
Let's not name them.
We will not name them. Of course not. I'm in a profession where we.
So please, let's not do that.
Naming.
Let's not, touch anyone's sentiments.
No.
Let's not.
They are doing their business.
Yeah. Everyone is.
So when we came here, the first thing we did is the behavior, the ambience, everything. The moment we got in, we were bombarded by professionalism. Okay, like everyone was professional. Okay, so we sat down. Before even looking at the car, we talked about everything. Okay, we were shown the papers. Very important. Previously, wherever we went, the papers were either shady or there were lots of pending cases. Paper had expired 2-3 years back. Didn't want to get into those hassles. And then the person who was sitting here, he said, okay, you go and look at the car first. Okay, before cracking a deal, first go look at the car. We went, we had a look, and he said that, see, you like the car. I said, it's perfect. Okay, it's a pre-owned car, it can't be more perfect than this. So he said, fine, but still don't negotiate. First go and have a ride. Okay.
Yeah, this is the basic thing which we firstly do. And mind you, he is taking a Renault Duster with an odometer reading of somewhere around 70,000 kilometers.
Yes, 60 something.
So I don't think 70,000 kilometers anything happens to the car.
No.
Because customers have a feeling that 70,000 chole gaye se, onek chole gaye se. Let me tell you, 70,000 in a vehicle done 8 years, it has not even clocked 10,000 kilometers a year. It is first ownership car.
Yeah.
And the odometer is as genuine as it is being shown, and you can verify it from the Renault workshop across India, any workshop across India. There is no need for us to tamper the odometer. सच्चाई छुपाने से कभी नहीं छुपती है. क्या है 70,000 चला तो गाड़ी है चलने के लिए बना है. वो बड़े-बड़े बर्बाद होती है. चला है तो अच्छा ही है, चला है तो अच्छा है.
You are going in to buy a pre-owned car. You must have some expectation.
Yes.
Don't expect
everything to be brand new.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Yeah.
But we were basically, it was beyond our expectation. To be honest, this is not just for the video or just because I'm talking to you. The moment we saw the car, we were like, it feels like this is going to come to us. Okay, so we were like, that is why we tried as best as we could to get it as fast as possible. Okay, and within 1 week, I think
the procedure is done.
Yeah, is done.
So how was the procedure? Was it hassle free or any issues?
No issues. It was completely hassle free.
So from a rating of 1 to 5, where 1 stands negative and 5 stands superstar, what rating would you give?
10.
Then he said, 5 would be good enough for us. Anyway, congratulations to the beautiful couple, the young couple, and wish you all the very good luck.
Thank you.
With this car. You reach much more greater heights.
Thank you.
And
Thank you
please,
so much.
thank you. And friends, if in case any one of you wants to be a part of our happy customer family, we will be more than glad to add you to our family. And if in case you need any assistance other than buying or selling, business is absolutely there, but business is different. If in case you want any assistance regarding any cars, please do feel free to call us at our toll-free number, at our helpline number rather, that's 900-7378-666, and do visit our our website vaishnovmotors.com, our Facebook page Vaishnav Motors, our Instagram handle, our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, and stay safe and stay healthy. Happy pujas. Thank you.